Hey everyone, welcome back to the Matt and Sarah English Podcast.
Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Matt. Today's episode is going to be very relaxed, very natural, and honestly, very cozy.
Oh, I like that word already.
Cozy is one of my favorite English words.
Mine too. It feels warm just hearing it.
Exactly. And today we are talking about something cozy and comfortable, our weekend routines.
Yes, today's topic is my daily routine on weekend.
Or, more naturally in English, we can say my weekend routine.
Right. And this is a great topic for beginners because everybody has a routine.
Exactly. You can practice English talking about real life.
And that's what we always try to do here on the podcast. We want English to feel real, useful, and natural.
Not robotic.
Definitely not robotic.
We don't want you memorizing random grammar tables forever.
We want you to understand real conversations.
Exactly. Conversations that people actually have.
Like talking to friends about your weekend.
Which is one of the most common conversations in English.
Oh yes, on Mondays people always ask, how was your weekend?
Every single Monday.
It's basically an international tradition.
It really is.
So today we're going to teach vocabulary, expressions, pronunciation, and simple grammar through a natural conversation.
Exactly. So just relax, listen carefully, and maybe repeat some expressions with us.
All right, Matt, let me ask you something.
Go ahead.
Are you a morning person on weekends?
Honestly, not really.
Same.
During the week, I wake up early because I have work, meetings, recording sessions.
Life.
Exactly. Adult life.
Tragic.
Very tragic.
Especially on Monday mornings.
Monday mornings feel illegal sometimes.
They really do.
But on weekends, I try to sleep a little longer.
What time do you usually wake up?
Around 8:30 or 9 a.m.
Honestly, that's still responsible.
Responsible sleeping?
Yes, some people wake up at noon on weekends.
True. I have friends like that.
I used to do that when I was younger.
Same here.
In college, my weekend routine was terrible.
Oh no.
I would sleep at 3 a.m. and wake up at noon.
That sounds familiar.
Now I can't even stay awake after midnight.
Same. Around 11 p.m., my body starts shutting down automatically.
Exactly. My brain just says goodbye.
All right, listeners, let's teach an important expression here.
Yes.
Wake up.
Very important phrasal verb.
I wake up at 8 a.m.
She wakes up early.
Notice the S in wakes.
Ah, yes, because it's she.
Exactly.
English learners sometimes forget the S.
Totally normal.
I used to say things like, she wake up early.
And now you sound much more natural.
Progress.
Little by little.
Okay, Matt, when you wake up on weekends, what's the first thing you do?
Honestly,
Dangerous start.
I check my phone immediately.
Ah, yes, modern life.
I know it's bad.
Same here, though.
I open my eyes and suddenly I'm looking at messages, emails, social media.
Sometimes I don't even fully wake up before checking Instagram.
Exactly.
It's automatic now.
Which is probably not healthy.
Probably not.
But after checking my phone, I usually get out of bed slowly.
Slowly is important on weekends.
Exactly. No stress.
During the week, I jump out of bed because I'm late.
Same.
But on weekends, everything feels calmer.
I love slow mornings.
Me too.
Slow mornings with coffee are amazing.
Especially when the weather is cold or rainy.
Oh yes, that's peak comfort.
Peak comfort. I love that expression.
It means maximum comfort.
Okay, listeners, repeat after me. I love slow mornings.
Very good.
I drink coffee on weekends.
Nice.
I relax in the morning.
Perfect.
All right, Matt, let's talk about breakfast because honestly, breakfast is important.
Very important.
What do you usually eat on weekends?
On weekends, I make a bigger breakfast than during the week.
Same.
During weekdays, I usually eat something fast.
Like toast or fruit.
Exactly.
But weekends feel special.
Yes, you have more time.
More time and more patience.
So on Saturdays, I usually make eggs, toast, bacon sometimes, and coffee.
That sounds really good.
What about you?
I love making pancakes on weekends.
Pancakes immediately improve the weekend.
They do.
Pancakes make life feel like a movie.
Exactly, especially when you add syrup and fruit.
Now I'm hungry.
Same.
Listeners, notice something important. We say make breakfast.
Not do breakfast.
Exactly.
English is funny with verbs sometimes.
Very funny, and sometimes very confusing.
but that's why we practice.
Exactly.
Also, have breakfast is another very common expression.
Right. I have breakfast at 9 a.m.
We have breakfast together.
Perfect.
Hey, Matt, do you cook often on weekends?
More than during the week.
Same here.
During weekdays, I'm usually tired after work.
So you order food?
Sometimes.
Honestly, weekends make cooking more enjoyable.
Definitely. Cooking without stress feels completely different.
Yes, you can listen to music, take your time.
Maybe dance badly in the kitchen.
Very important part of cooking.
Essential.
I always listen to music while cooking.
What kind of music?
Depends on my mood.
Another useful expression.
Yes, it depends on my mood.
Meaning your feelings change the situation.
Exactly.
Sometimes I listen to calm music on Sunday mornings.
Same. Calm music and coffee are a perfect combination.
Especially with rain outside.
Why are rainy weekends so relaxing?
I don't know, but everybody loves them.
Well, almost everybody.
True. Some people hate rain.
My dog hates rain.
Dogs become dramatic in the rain.
Very dramatic. Tiny afters. Exactly.
All right. After breakfast, what do you usually do?
Usually, I clean my apartment.
Ah, yes. Weekend cleaning.
The least exciting part of adulthood.
Unfortunately necessary.
I put on music and try to make it fun.
That actually helps.
Otherwise, it feels too boring.
What chores do you usually do?
Let me think. I wash the dishes, vacuum the floor, organize my bedroom, clean the bathroom.
That's already too much work.
I know.
I also do laundry on weekends.
Ah, yes. Laundry never ends.
Never.
You wash clothes, and suddenly there are more clothes again.
It's magic.
Bad magic.
Exactly.
Okay, listeners, let's review some household vocabulary.
Great idea.
Wash the dishes,
Do laundry.
vacuum the floor,
Clean the bathroom.
organize the bedroom.
Perfect.
Matt, do you enjoy cleaning?
I enjoy the result.
Same.
I love when the apartment smells clean and everything looks organized.
Yes, it feels peaceful.
Exactly.
Also, I think cleaning helps my mind feel calmer.
Totally.
When my room is messy, my brain feels messy too.
That is extremely relatable.
Thank you.
Sometimes I start cleaning and accidentally spend 3 hours organizing random things.
Same. You find old papers, photos, cables.
Cables from devices you don't even own anymore.
Exactly.
And somehow you still keep them.
Because maybe one day they'll be useful.
They never are.
But what if?
No.
Fair enough.
Okay. After cleaning, I usually go grocery shopping.
Grocery shopping on weekends feels very adult.
Very adult.
But honestly, I kind of enjoy it.
Really?
Yes, supermarkets are interesting.
That's a strong opinion.
I like looking at snacks and drinks from different countries.
Okay, that part is fun.
Exactly.
But I always buy things I don't need.
Same.
I go to buy vegetables and suddenly I have ice cream, chips, chocolate.
Weekend logic.
Exactly.
Listeners, grocery shopping means buying food and household products.
Very common expression in English.
Example, I go grocery shopping on Saturdays.
Perfect.
All right, Matt, let's talk about afternoons now, because I think weekends change a lot in the afternoon.
True.
Some people stay home.
Some people go out.
Some people sleep for 4 hours accidentally.
The dangerous weekend nap.
Exactly.
What do you usually do on Saturday afternoons?
I like meeting friends.
Where do you usually go?
Cafes mostly.
That feels very you.
Thank you, I think.
It was a compliment.
Good.
I also like cafes on weekends.
Especially cozy cafes with good music.
And comfortable chairs.
Comfortable chairs are important.
Very important.
Nothing destroys relaxation faster than uncomfortable chairs.
Facts.
Sometimes my friends and I spend hours just talking.
Honestly, those are the best conversations.
Yes, no rush, no stress.
Just talking about life.
Exactly.
Do you ever go shopping on weekends?
Sometimes.
Do you enjoy shopping?
Depends on what I'm shopping for.
Fair answer.
I like bookstores.
Oh, yes.
I can spend hours inside a bookstore.
Same. Bookstores feel peaceful.
And dangerous for my wallet.
Very dangerous.
I always say, I'm just looking, and then suddenly I buy 3 books.
Every single time.
What about you? What do you usually do in the afternoon?
Sometimes I go to the gym.
Responsible.
I try.
I respect people who exercise on weekends.
Why?
Because weekends make me lazy.
Same, honestly.
Sometimes I plan to exercise, but then I sit on the couch.
And it's over.
Completely over.
The couch wins.
Always.
Listeners, here's a useful expression. Workout.
Meaning exercise.
Exactly.
I work out on Saturdays.
Perfect.
Another expression, hang out.
Very common in English.
Hang out means spending relaxed time with friends.
Example, I hang out with my friends on weekends.
Great expression for natural English.
Okay, Sarah, let's move to evening routines.
My favorite part of weekends.
Really?
Yes, weekend evenings feel exciting.
That's true.
During the week, evenings feel short because you're tired.
Exactly.
But on weekends, evenings feel freer.
I totally agree.
So what do you usually do on Saturday nights?
Honestly, I love staying home and watching movies.
You're secretly an old man.
Probably.
Saturday night and you're at home with snacks and a blanket.
That sounds perfect, actually.
Fair enough.
I like calm nights.
I enjoy both.
Staying home and going out?
Exactly.
What do you usually do when you go out?
Sometimes dinner with friends, sometimes movies, sometimes live music.
Oh, nice.
But honestly, I also love quiet nights at home.
Especially after a busy week.
Yes, sometimes your brain just needs silence.
That's true.
Okay, listeners, let's teach another expression,
Stay in.
meaning stay at home.
Example, I stay in on Saturday nights.
Opposite expression, go out.
I go out with friends.
Very common beginner vocabulary.
And extremely useful.
Matt, do you binge watch shows on weekends?
Absolutely.
Same.
Sometimes I start one episode and suddenly it's 2 a.m.
Exactly.
Streaming platforms are dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Just one more episode is always a lie.
Always.
Listeners, binge watch means watching many episodes continuously.
Example, I binge watch series on weekends.
Perfect.
Okay, now let's talk about Sundays specifically, because Sundays have a completely different energy.
Totally different.
Sundays feel slower and calmer,
And a little emotional sometimes.
especially Sunday night,
Sunday night has a strange feeling.
because Monday is coming.
Exactly.
Nobody wants Monday to arrive.
Unfortunately, it always arrives.
Very rude, honestly.
Extremely rude.
On Sundays, I usually wake up late, make coffee, and spend a long time relaxing.
What do you do to relax?
I listen to music, read, watch YouTube videos, or just sit quietly sometimes.
Quiet weekends are underrated.
They really are,
Sometimes doing nothing is necessary.
especially nowadays because life is always noisy and busy.
Exactly.
People feel pressure to be productive all the time.
But rest is productive too.
Yes, mental rest matters.
Absolutely.
Sometimes I spend time with my family on Sundays.
Family lunches are common, right?
Very common.
Big lunches?
Huge lunches.
With dessert?
Obviously.
Of course.
Brazilian families take Sunday lunch seriously.
I respect that.
There's always too much food.
The best kind of problem.
Exactly.
What's your favorite Sunday food?
Probably barbecue.
Excellent answer.
And yours?
Pizza on Sunday night.
Oh, yes.
Pizza tastes better on weekends.
Scientifically proven.
Absolutely.
You know what else I like doing on Sundays?
What?
Taking long showers.
That is such a specific weekend activity.
But it's true.
Honestly, I understand.
During the week, showers are fast because we're always busy.
Exactly. Weekday showers are survival showers.
Weekend showers are luxury showers.
With music.
Always with music.
Maybe skincare too.
Yes, self-care Sundays.
That's another useful expression.
Self-care,
Meaning activities that help you relax and feel good.
like resting, reading, skincare, relaxing, exercising, or spending time alone.
Exactly.
I think weekends are important for mental health.
Definitely.
Sometimes people feel guilty for relaxing,
That's true.
but everybody needs rest.
Especially after stressful weeks.
Speaking of stress, do you prepare for Monday on Sundays?
Yes, actually.
Responsible king.
Thank you.
What do you do?
I usually organize my schedule, answer some messages, and prepare my clothes for Monday.
That's smart.
It helps Monday mornings feel less stressful.
I do something similar.
Really?
Yes, sometimes I prepare coffee for the next morning too.
Future Sarah helping future Sarah.
Exactly.
That's teamwork.
Between me and myself.
Incredible partnership.
Thank you.
Okay, listeners, let's review some important weekend expressions.
Great idea.
Sleep in.
Meaning wake up later than usual.
I sleep in on Sundays.
Hang out.
Spend relaxed time with friends.
Stay in.
Stay at home.
Go out.
Leave home for social activities.
Take a nap.
Sleep for a short time during the day.
Binge watch.
Watch many episodes continuously.
Perfect.
All right, Sarah, before we finish, let's imagine a realistic conversation between friends.
Good idea.
I'll start.
Okay.
Hey, Sarah, how was your weekend?
It was really relaxing. I slept in, drank a lot of coffee, and spent time with my friends.
Very natural.
What about you?
I stayed home most of the weekend, watched movies, and cleaned my apartment.
Did you go out at all?
Yeah, I went grocery shopping and met a friend for lunch.
That sounds nice, actually.
It was very calm weekend.
See, listeners, that's real beginner English.
Simple, clear, and natural.
You do not need difficult vocabulary to communicate.
Exactly.
Small sentences are okay.
Actually, native speakers use short sentences all the time.
That's true.
English learners sometimes think they need huge, complicated sentences.
But simple English sounds more natural than people think.
Absolutely.
All right, everyone, we are reaching the end of today's episode.
We hope this episode helped you learn useful vocabulary and understand natural English conversation.
And we hope you enjoyed spending this relaxing time with us.
Remember, listening consistently is very important.
Even 10 or 15 minutes every day helps a lot.
And don't be afraid to repeat sentences out loud.
Yes, speaking practice is essential.
Also, try describing your own weekend routine in English after this episode.
You can talk about what time you wake up, what you eat, where you go, and how you relax.
Real-life vocabulary is the best vocabulary.
Exactly.
Thank you so much for listening to the Matt and Sara English podcast.
We'll see you next time with another fun English conversation.
Take care, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.